Group of Institutions online classes, and this is your biology class. Students, in my previous video, we have already discussed the chapter 3, the cell, and today we will discuss the theme assignment of page number 33 in your book. Let's start. Theme assignment, and the first question is find the odd one out. First question: nucleus, cytoplasm, cell organelles, cell division. And we find the odd one out in those 4 words. So what is the right answer? What is the odd one out? The odd one out is the cell division. Answer is cell division. Why cell division is the odd one out? Because all the 3 words, nucleus, cytoplasm and cell organelles belongs to the component of the cell. Means nucleus is also a component of the cell, cytoplasm is also a component of the cell, and cell organelle is, or ultimately it is also the component of cell. But the cell division is a process of dividing the cell from which 2 daughter cells are produced. Means the cell division is of 2 types, you know that, meiosis and mitosis. So it is a process by which cell can grow, cell can multiply. It is a process, and but all the 3 are the component of the cell. Next question: nuclear membrane, nucleolus, mitochondria, chromatin. Now what is the odd one out in this question? The odd one out is the mitochondria. So the answer is mitochondria. But why the mitochondria is odd one out? Because all the 3, means nuclear membrane is the component of the nucleus. Nucleolus is also a component of the nucleus, and chromatin, which is also a component of the nucleus. But mitochondria is a component of the cell, and all the 3 are the component of the nucleus. So this is the odd one out because it is the component of the cell, and all the 3 are the component of the nucleus. Okay, students? And the third one is chloroplast, chlorophyll, centrosome and granum. So the answer is centrosome. Why the answer is centrosome? Because you can see here all the 3 organelles, chloroplast, chlorophyll and granum, are the part of the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a cell organelle which is present inside the cell, and the chlorophyll is a green color pigment which is found inside the chloroplast. Granum, the structure of the chloroplast like this, and here is a coin-like structure called thylakoid. One is called thylakoid and the stack of the thylakoid is called granum. So it is also the granum, chlorophyll and chloroplast are the part of the chloroplast, but the centrosome is a component of the cell. So this is the odd one out. And the next is the multiple choice question. And the first question is, which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? So which cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell? That is mitochondria. So the answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Second question, control center of a cell. The control center of a cell is nucleus. The answer is nucleus. And the third question is, centrosome helps in. What is the function of the centrosome? Actually, the function of the centrosome is in cell division. It helps in cell division. So the right answer is cell division. Centrosome helps in cell division. And the next is the answer the following question. First question, question number 1. Which part of the cell control all activities? So the answer is nucleus. You know, students, nucleus is the brain of the cell. It is the control center of the cell which control all the activities. Nucleus controls all the activities of the cell. Because it is the control center of the cell and it is also called the brain of the cell. So if This nucleus control all the activities of the cell. Next, question number 2. So, what is the difference between cell membrane and cell wall? Students, you know that the outer membrane is called of the plant cell and animal cell is known as cell membrane, and the outer membrane of the plant cell is known as cell wall. So, the main difference is the cell wall and cell membrane is actually the cell wall is made up of cellulose. It is made up of cellulose, and it is a rigid. Cell wall is actually rigid and give the shape to the plant cell. It is present only in plant cell. Present in plant cell. Okay, cell wall is made up of cellulose and it is rigid and it is present only in plant cell, and the cell wall gives the shape, actually the shape to the plant cell and provide the rigidity to the plant cell. And this cell wall is freely permeable. Freely permeable. What do you mean by freely permeable? Freely permeable means it allows all the substance. It allows all the substance to move inside the cell. Okay? Means it allows all the substance to move in and out of the cell. So it is called freely permeable. Freely movement allowed होती है. So it is called freely permeable. Okay, students. On the another hand, if we talk about the cell membrane, so cell membrane is the outer membrane of plant cell and animal cell, because it is present in both plant cell and animal cell. Present in animal and plant cell. Okay, and the cell membrane is selectively permeable. What do you mean by the word selectively permeable? Selectively permeable means it allows only selected substance, means some substance to move inside or outside the cell. So it is called selectively permeable. It allows the movement of substance which are selected substance to move inside and outside of the cell. It is called selectively permeable. And the cell membrane is flexible. It is not rigid, it is flexible. And it is the outer covering of the cell. The function of the cell membrane is to provide the shape and also hold the cell organelles. Means it provides the shape because it is the outer membrane, so it provides the shape to the cell and also hold the contents inside the cell which is present, like mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi body, all the contents which is present inside the cell. The function of the cell membrane is to hold all the contents. Okay. So this is the main difference between the cell membrane and cell wall. Now the next question is question number 3. Who discovered the cell? You know that? Who discovered the cell? So the answer is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke, a scientist which discovered the cell from the cork of the tree. From which, and इन्होंने कैसे सेल को डिस्कवर किया था? इन्होंने अपने ही द्वारा डिस्कवर किया हुआ माइक्रोस्कोप, फर्स्ट माइक्रोस्कोप इन्होंने बनाया था और उससे ही इन्होंने सेल को डिस्कवर किया. ओके, लेकिन इसके बाद फर्स्ट माइक्रोस्कोप जो है वो एंटोनी वॉन लीवेनहॉक ने ही बनाया था. सो वी कैन से दैट फर्स्ट माइक्रोस्कोप इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय एंटोनी वॉन लीवेनहॉक, बट इन्होंने एक माइक्रोस्कोप बनाया था, उसी से इन्होंने सेल की डिस्कवरी. Okay students, I think this is sufficient for today. We will discuss the next topic in our next video. Thank you students.